Would you like to promote your service by offering bookings directly from your Facebook and Instagram page? In just a few clicks, you can add booking buttons to your business pages using our Facebook and Instagram bookings feature. Let's begin by navigating to the custom features page where we can locate and enable this feature. Once we go into its settings, we can click Connect with Facebook, which will prompt us to log in to Facebook. If you're already logged in, you will be able to confirm the connection and grant the necessary permissions. In the next window, you can edit and confirm the connection settings, such as choosing or creating the Facebook page that you would like to use. We also need to enable business features for the chosen pages, and we're done. Your business pages have been linked to your SimplyBook.me account. You will be redirected to Facebook and Instagram booking settings, where you can select a custom theme if you're a premium SimplyBook.me user and are also using our Facebook widget, or log out if you want to disconnect this account. Your Facebook business page now features a Book Now button that will take your clients to your booking page. Kindly note that bookings via Instagram will only be available when using the mobile app. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.